we are now inside of the prime trade time. That's between 9:30 and 11:30. 11:30 is drawn out with this horizontal line right here. This is the trade setup that I'm looking to take. Looks like we're getting pretty close to that entry. You never know, it might turn around and not put me in, but we'll see. So obviously first 1 hour chart, what we're looking at here is, as we talked about in the previous video, these highs being taken, right? These yellow boxes are drawn out to represent higher time frame fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, order blocks, etc., etc. There's a lot of that stuff that we haven't gone over yet, but we will. So we're just kind of waiting for this to put me in here, but I just wanted to draw out what I'm looking for. So we took that liquidity up here. Now we're looking to turn around, and then I'm looking for the fair value gaps here. So it's not just any fair value gap. I'm looking specifically for a fair value gap that gives us a shift in market structure as well. And so market structure are these little internal lows. So the lows are made up of 3 candles, obviously, 1, 2, 3, right? And this middle one would be the lowest one. So when price breaks below these on the 1 minute chart, it shows a willingness to turn around, basically. That isn't always the case. Sometimes it takes it and then turns around, comes back, whatever. It's just kind of another thing to add to put you in the right direction. So you're not just taking any fair value gap. So this fair value gap, 1, 2, 3, as shown here with the highlighted red box, took this low right here. And so we're looking for a retracement back into this red box, specifically consequent encroachment, which is also known as the midpoint of this box. So we're expecting price to come deliver back up in here and then roll over and turn around and come down to our take profit. And our stop loss is at the top of the formation of the fair value gap. So the top of the first candle that makes the fair value gap. So 1, 2, 3, 3 right there. So the top of that one is right here as shown. And if we go to the 1 hour chart, I will show you why I am targeting what I'm targeting for my take profit. So if we look at this right here, basically there are a couple of different ways that you want to target. You're looking for somewhere in the neighborhood of a 2R and more. And so we can either aim for swing lows. So this swing low right here would put us at like barely a 2R. And with the way that price is acting, I'm expecting it to move with a little bit more velocity downwards. So we could aim for the midpoint of this candle right here that makes this fair value gap, which is also this line right here. And I thought about that as well, but that also puts us at just over a 2R, and the way price is acting, I'm expecting it to roll over with more oomph. So I'm going to shoot for this low right here, which is inside of this gap here. And I definitely think that could be something that we could see by the noon New York local time, so 11 o'clock our time. So we'll see if this actually takes and I get put into a trade. It kind of just likes to hang around here. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a quick wick up into this level at some point. But if it gets down here into my take profit zone before it comes up here, or doesn't ever come back up here, it just won't be a trading day. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right here. And then I will update you at the end if I did take a trade.